Hello everyone, welcome back to day 6 of our Python series. Today we are diving into a very important concept, data types in Python. Think of data type as different containers that hold specific kinds of information. Python data types are the classification or categorization of data items. It represents the kind of value that tells what operation can be performed on a particular data. Since everything is an object in Python programming, Python data types are classes and variables are instances, like objects of these classes. So a data type defines the kind of value a variable holds. In real life, we deal with numbers, names, list, yes or no answers, and Python does the same using different data types. So there are 5 types of data types in Python: numeric data type, dictionary, boolean, set, and sequence type. Numeric data type have categorized in 3 types: integer, float, and complex number. And also sequence type have three type of types like string, list, and tuple. So let's dive into data types. Numeric data type. Okay. So actually, numeric data types are data type which holds numerical values like numbers. Okay, here you can see the numeric data types in Python represents the data that has a numeric value. Like the data which have numbers is known as numeric data type. Like int is a whole number. Like age equals to 25. Like your age, and like the year, like 2025 is numeric integer data type. Okay, because it is a whole number and year doesn't contain any decimal value or imaginary value. Okay, so year is integer, which, and also integer only contain whole number. And what is float? So float contains a decimal number also. Like here you can see price is equal to 9.99. Price of any product is decimal number. Like price of mobile phone, price of house, and price of toffee and all. And what is complex number? Numbers with real and imaginary parts is known as complex number. Like here you can see z equals to 3 plus 2j. Okay, so 3 is numbers like real number and 2, and j is imaginary number. We generally know like z equals to 3 plus ai. Okay, I is imaginary number, but I have used here j. Okay, so if you a is 10, b is 3.14, c is 2 plus 5j. This is numeric data type. Okay, so let's move on sequence data type in Python. So the sequence data type in Python is the ordered collection of similar or different Python data types. Sequences allow storing of multiple values in an organized and efficient fashion. Okay, like sequence data type contains ordered collection of similar data type of similar or different data types of value. Here sequence data type is 3 type like string, str, which contain text or string of character like hello. In hello you can see there is 5 letters. Okay, 5 characters. So you can see this is the collection of letters. Hello is the collection of letters. Okay, hello like maybe someone's name, or we are calling anyone to like hello, who are you? Okay, and list is ordered and changeable list. Like list is an ordered collection of a sequence type of data type, but list is changeable. Okay, like shopping cart item and anything. And tuple is also ordered collection or ordered sequence type of data type, but it's not be changeable. Means if you have created any tuple, then after creating tuple you can't change it. Here you can see Python string. Here I have written the definition of the string. As I have told earlier that Python string are array of bytes representing Unicode character. Here you can see hello is the collection of character. In Python there is no character data type in Python. A character is a string of length 1. It is represented by str class. Okay. Here I have created a variable name which contains string. Okay, and if I will run this code, you can see now the code have run, and you can see here S. Here I have print the S, and here you can see welcome to world, and the type of S is string. And here I'm trying to access the string with index. I will tell you in later episode. Okay, so just move on to the next, which is list. As I've told earlier, list is just like array. Okay, and we can create a list, and there is no need to be the value should be the same type of data. Okay, here I have created an empty list, and after that I have created an integer list. Okay, mm, it is taking time. Just wait. Okay, you can see when I print a, which contains only integer value, so it will run. It have run. Okay, and here also I have created a second list which contains a string and integer also, and there is no problem. Means you can store mixed types of data in a list. Okay. In next, we can understand what is tuple. So tuple is just like list, but and ordered collection of a Python object. But there is only difference is you can't modify tuple after creating. Okay. And the next one is mapping type. A dictionary mapping type like the third type of data type is mapping type, and which contain dictionary only. So a dictionary in Python is a collection of data value used to store data values like a map. Unlike other Python data types that holds only single value as an element, a dictionary holds a key value pair. Key value is provided in the dictionary to make it more optimal. Each key value pair in dictionary is separated a colon, whereas each key separated by a comma. Okay, like here you can see key value pair. Hmm? If you want, if I print a student, then you can see name Ravi and marks equals to 85. Okay, now just move to the next one, which is Boolean. The type is bool, and this type of data type, like bool, is generally told wants to tell you that the thing or the line and anything you want to say, is it true or false? Okay, like anything I'm saying that I'm going to say that um, I have completed MCA, so it will just tell you that is I'm postgraduate. Is it yes? Then true, else false. Okay. The next one is set type. Set is an unordered collection of data types that is iterable, mutable, and has no duplicate elements. The order of element in a set is undefined, so it may consist of various elements. Like in math, okay, set is an unordered collection of data type. Like you can replace the data, like the value in one place to another place. There is no difference. But one thing is in set, you cannot set cannot contain any duplicate element. Like you can't put it one and one two times in set. Okay. The another one is frozen set. A frozen set is an immutable version of a set. Okay, like and once a frozen set is created, its element cannot be modified, added or removed. This makes frozen set object accessible and suitable for use as keys in dictionary or as element in other sets. Like set is mutable. Like you can change the set after creating, but frozen set cannot be mutable. Like you can't change a frozen set after creating. Okay, and the next type is binary type. So binary type contains three type of like bytes, byte array, and memory view. Bytes like immutable sequence of single byte, like integer from 0 to 255. Okay, bytes that iterals are created using the b prefix or the bytes constructor. And next one is byte array. Byte array is mutable counterpart of bytes. Byte array are created using the byte array constructor. And the third one is memory view. Memory view provides a view into the memory of the other binary object without copying. Memory view are created using the memory view constructor. Okay, byte is immutable byte data type and used for file content. Okay, and byte array is mutable byte data type, byte data and used for modify byte in a file. And memory view is used for efficient data processing, and it is useful for access. It is used for access data without copying it. Okay, so these binary types are useful for working with binary data, such as when reading from writing to file, network socket, or hardware devices. They are also used in cryptography, data comparison, and other applications that require low-level manipulation of data. Okay, so in this video, what we have learned: number, list, number like int, float, complex, text or list like string, list, and tuple, key value pair like dictionary, true, false, bool, and unique items like set and frozen set, binary files like byte array, memory view. For example, think about your phone. Contact names are string, call logs are list, profile detail are dictionary, battery status are bool, and download file are in byte. Let's wrap up day 6 of Python series. Today we learned all about the different data types in Python. We will explore in depth all the data types. Okay, and we will cover next type conversion also. So don't forget to like. Thank you everyone.